kitties, it's time to eat. Are you hungry? I've got a lot of noodles in the fridge just for you. What a strange meow. Oh, kitties, you're meowing like that because you're so hungry. Who's there? I thought I saw someone.
Natalie, it's so good to see you.
Buffy Cats, Winston tricked Abdul. He promised him an art gallery to exhibit his masterpieces and Granny Pina's painting.
What?
Abdul is gonna bring Granny Pina a piece of paper and ask her to sign it. You're in danger.
Huh?
If Granny Pina signs that paper, Winston can bulldoze this house.
We just gotta save the house.
I've got a Buffy brainstorm. We'll turn Granny Pina's house into an art gallery.
If the house is a gallery and Abdul shows off all his art here, Granny won't have to sign anything.
But how can we do that?
We'll turn the house into a work of art.
La Palette will help us. He is the artist cat.
We're taking Granny's noodles with us. And for you, Catali, a little orange juice.
Thanks, Meatball. Get on board, my furry fellows. I'll take you to your artist cat.
La Palette! We need you. Granny Pina's house is in danger. But with your help, we can save it. We have to turn it into a work of art.
Dear Buffy Cats, when it comes to art, Monsieur La Palette is always at your service.
Hooray!
But to do this thing you have in mind, we will need help. Some more cats.
Catali, wait for us at Granny's house and watch for Abdul. Without Catali, we'll need another way to get around.
We'll build something with creative recycling.
Sure, Pilu. But to do that, we'll need...
Granny Pina's noodles!
The secret's in the noodles of Granny Pina. A plate of superpower, a spectrum and reliever. You eat them hot with me, Ragu. They'll help you grow up tall and stop your feeling blue. Because a plate of noodles by Granny Pina is better than a doctor. They'll take away your fever. So be happy, come on, no problems here to say. If you've got noodle power to brighten up your day, noodle power! That's it. Our Buffy-mobile. Hello, Buffy Cats. This is Peppy, and she needs our help. Great! Hi, I'm Lampo.
I'm Pilu.
And I'm Meatball.
And I'm Peppy, the great tightrope walking cat.
What a great trick! How'd you do it?
Oh no, not again!
Fantastic!
You are a perfect clown. But I don't want to be a clown. I want to be a tightrope walker. Sure, Peppy. We'll help you to become a great tightrope walker. Right, Buffy Cats? It'll be awesome! To keep your balance, you have to carefully put one paw in front of the other. Once you have that down, we'll try a simple stunt together. That's it. Now it's your turn. On it. Good, but stay focused on how to place your paws. One after the other.
That's boring. I want to do this.
Pawesome, Peppy! That was really funny!
Funny? Lambo, I don't want my stunts to be funny.
Well, but I mean, that was nice.
I want to be a tightrope walking cat.
Sure. From now on, we'll all be super focused on your target, Peppy. I promise.
Super focused! We'll use a skateboard to practice your balance. Yeah! As soon as you're confident, you can make the exercise more interesting by juggling more balls.
Let me try. It's super easy.
Okay, now let's juggle balls too.
No, I'll use these.
Peppy, maybe that's not a good idea.
I'll save Hope. Lucky split.
Are you sure about this? It's very dark. Be careful, Terry.
Of course. I've got night vision like any cat. I'll show you. I'm not just a cat. I'm a fire cat. This is taking too long. To get up there fast, I gotta fly. I know. I'll use that leg as a catapult. Oh, it's so dark. I can't see. But I heard Hope meow. She must be close, for sure. There you are, Hope.
Hey, Lola.
Hi, Buffy Cats.
Have you seen Terry?
He climbed the tower to try and save my baby Hope.
Oh, no.
Don't worry, Hope. I won't let you go.
Look at that funny dog playing with the cuckoo clock.
See, Hope? The firefighter smiled at me. It's gonna be okay. I'll save you!
Terry, what are you doing? That isn't Hope.
Firefighter cat incoming! Harry the Terrific!
I'm sorry, Terry, but this isn't my baby Hope.
Really? Oh, now that I see it in the light, it doesn't look like Hope at all.
That's where Hope is, on the roof of the tower.
You're safe now, kitty.
Bye, Buffy Cats. Bye, Terry.
Oh, how embarrassing! If I keep messing up, I'll never become a great firefighter cat.
See that, Blister? Terry thinks she's a cat, and now he wants to be a fire cat.
Yeah, Scab, we can have lots of fun with Terry, and I already have a plan. Follow me.
Terry, you got turned around in the dark. It's easy for us cats with our night vision.
But you're a dog. You could have used your nose to find Hope.
Right! I gotta use my skills better to be a firefighter cat!
The Buffy Cats will help make your dream come true.
But first, we're gonna have to fix the cuckoo clock.
I'm tired. It'll take all night. Oh no! We forgot to save Pilu!
Firefighter Cats, when are you coming to save me?
Kitties, my special guest is coming soon. Should I serve apricot filling or vanilla?
Who do you think Granny Peanut's talking about?
I would eat both.
No, maybe neither of them. Oh.
Yummy!
My little kitty's gonna love cupcakes. cupcakes.
Little kitty?
Buffy
Cupcakes?
Cats, Granny Pina wants to take in another cat.
We have to make sure she doesn't forget us.
Oh, no time for tummy rubs now. My little one will be here any second. Black currant. Oh, these cupcakes were a waste of time.
I think it's delicious.
I'll cook something else for Izata.
Who's Izata? Hi, Granny Pina.
Izata, you're here. Oh.
A human? So Granny Pina did all this just for a human.
Yeah, Lampo. And she called her Little Kitty.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh, Granny, thanks for inviting me. It will be a special weekend.
Izata, these are my kitties.
Oh, they're so sweet. Hi, kitties.
They are Lampo, Milady, Meatball, and tender little Pilou.
I don't think they like me, Granny.
Oh no, Izata. They're very shy and very lazy. Now, let's get you settled in your room.
This is far worse than another cat.
Yeah, Lampo, we can't compete with a human, especially a granddaughter.
Or more like a hurricane.
A nice hurricane anyway.
You know what, Buffy Cats? Izata can stay here as long as she wants to. We'll just hang out here in our clubhouse.
Oh, wow. This place is wonderful. She's good at drums.
But she's totally out of control, Pilou.
Wow. An electric guitar.
My guitar! Saved by a hair.
Woo! This cot is so soft. A little push and the wheel of fortune turns.
At this rate, we'll be hairless soon. This is a catastrophe. Buffy Cats, we have to find a way to ward off this human. Any ideas?
What do you mean by ward off?
I mean, keep us safe from...
I just want to play with you. Just be your friend.
She understands us.
Did I say something wrong?
My whiskers are telling us the culprit is in there. Oh, this looks like the perfect place for a ghost cat. Meatball, ghosts don't exist.
Leave it to me, Lampo. The door is open, so we can go in.
Come on, Meatball, be brave! Nothing you can say can convince me to go into this creepy house. Ugh.
You know, Meatball, once we find the ghost, we'll also find the whipped cream.
In that case, I'll go first.
Buffy Cats, look! The missing boots, the flower, the top hat, and the whipped cream!
We solved the mysterious mystery!
Kind of. We found the objects, but the ghost cat is still missing. Did you hear that? The ghost! Shh, Meatball. If he really exists, we'll lure him out.
Nobody's taking the bait.
Yeah, the bottle is moving by itself.
Wait! I'm visible now! And my hiccup stopped. Thank you so much! Hi, we're the Buffy Cats.
Ghost cat, Why did you take all those white objects?
Hi, Buffy Cats. My name is Whisper, and I'm a ghost who's tired of being invisible. I tried so many ways to become visible. I tried wearing a pair of boots, but then you could only see my paws. The flower flew away immediately. I tried to use the top hat, but it was too big for me. I even ate a lot of whipped cream, but it melted right away, and it gave me the hiccups.
Whisper, you don't have to steal. It's wrong.
Yes, I know. Can you forgive me? I'm sorry, but I didn't know what else to do.
Don't worry, Whisper. You're excused. I always knew ghost cats exist.
I'm out of milk. I'll only be visible one day. Then what will I do?
My furry fellows, welcome to the most pawesome treasure hunt ever! This is our starting line. The competitors will have to figure out a series of clues to find the treasure, and whoever finds it first is the winner!
You must be talking about me, am I right?
Will our winner be La Palette in his flying car?
It's a Leonardo da Vinci's flying machine.
Or will it be Archibald McArchibald in his hot air balloon?
Win or lose, it's how you play that matters.
Or Gas, thanks to his jet balloons.
Of course, all my stink is loaded in here. Most of it anyway.
Or will Meatball be the winner with his flying backpack?
Go, Meatball, soar. You like flying,
But eating even more. That's right. I am pretty hungry.
Competitors, keep this in mind. Anyone who touches the ground will be disqualified. Are you ready? The flying treasure hunt starts now!
That is a flyer for the Egyptian Museum exhibit. See you there.
Off they go!
Come on, Meatball!
La Palette is in the lead. Archibald is right behind him. Gas in third. And Meatball is last by a wide margin. But there's still a long way to go.
A long way? I'm tired and hungry already. Oh, my whiskers. A restaurant. I gotta focus. Smells so good. Yummy. Now that's better.
We're looking at La Palette and Archibald, neck and neck for the lead. But wait, Gas is catching up. And Meatball is still last.
What are you trying to do, Gas?
Trying to overtake you, La Palette.
Be careful not to hit my wing.
What a turn of events! La Palette has lost control of his flying car.
Let's go see what's going on. Winston is playing golf.
Another one! I'm a champion, right, my beloved boss? Make room for for Winston, the golf champion. Applause, please.
Huh? Winston? A champion?
Shut it, Buffy losers. Winston and I are top-class golfers.
No, you're a top-class braggart.
I've even set up a tournament to prove how good I am.
A golf tournament? Good. Count me in.
It's a tournament for champions only, and you are not a golf champion.
You're not inviting me because you're afraid to lose.
No, I'm not inviting you because you don't know how to play.
Take it easy, Lampo. When you learn how to play golf, Boss will invite you.
But I already know how to play, milady, and I'll prove it. Meepo, come with me.
Stay out of trouble, Lampo. Boss didn't invite you. Huh?
Ha! That's why the one going to the tournament will be Sir Lamp, the rooster cat golfer, and meet Paul, his loyal assistant.
Meatball?
I'm gonna have a snack with Lampo.
Boss, the course is all ready for the golf tournament.
Thanks for agreeing to be our referee, Edison. I always play fair.
I'm ready to play. My ball will reach the moon.
It looks like we're all here. I don't see any players apart from Snobbean and Cosmo. Just 2 challengers showed their faces.
The others were all afraid of you, boss.
All right, let's begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 2 makes 44. Ready or not, here I come. Aha! That bonbon looks familiar. Meatball, I found you! Are you hurt, Meatball?
No, Izata. I always have a soft landing.
Meatball has a rear airbag. What a catastrophe! My tooth is wiggly. What do I do? You can ask my cat for help. Mimi is a doctor for kittens. She can definitely help with your teeth.
I guess I'll be fixing the slide on my own then.
Don't worry, Meatball. Milady and I will lend you a paw.
Bye-bye, Buffy cats. Bye, Izata. See you later. Bye. There's Mimi's ambulance.
Hello, little one. What's your name?
My name's Pilu.
Nice to meet you, Pilu. Please come in. Have a seat. What's troubling you, Pilu?
My tooth is wiggly.
Okay. May I have a look?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's okay, Pilu. It's perfectly normal. A loose tooth ready to fall out.
I don't want it to fall out.
It's a baby tooth. A grown-up tooth will grow in its place.
But I like baby teeth, especially mine.
Then you and I will care for that tooth together. Now I must check up on the neighborhood kittens. Would you like to be my assistant?
Yes! I'm so ready, Mimi. Let's go! Here comes Mimi. What's up, Baby Pie?
I wanted to get the ball out of the jar, but my paw got stuck. I'll never get it out. I'll have a paw in the jar forever.
Don't worry, Baby Pie. We'll just cool the jar and free your paw.
I've got a Buffy brainstorm. Let's go see Cream, the ice cream maker cat.
Pawesome idea, Pilu. Don't worry, Baby Pie. We'll solve this problem in a minute.
I'm ready for our next good deed.
We're doing great, Scribbly. Now, write down what I tell you. Oh, no! This is no good! We can't do any more good deeds now!
We need a new tire.
Scribbly! What'd you write in your message?
Don't worry, boss. One of your furry fellows will do us a good deed real soon.
Milady, look! Another one of those messages! We need a new tire for our sidecar. We're at the park entrance.
Who could have written it?
I don't know, Meatball. Let's go find out.
Why did you send that message?
But, boss, I just did what you taught me to.
Oh, no! The Buffy Cats!
Hey, boss! So you're the one who needs a new tire.
And you're the one who sent the messages.
No, I did. My name is Scribbly.
Hi, Scribbly. Did you write a bunch of those messages?
Yeah, I wanted to lend a paw. Boss is my good friend, and I've been helping him do good deeds.
What good deeds? I hate good deeds.
Scribbly, maybe you didn't know, but Boss's good deeds are just pranks.
Well, at least this once, Boss was helpful. He's given the Buffy Cats the chance to do a good feline deed for him.
No, I don't want anyone to help me, especially you.
I am so sorry, Buffy Cats. I just wanted to do good deeds and make new friends with my messages.
I've got a Buffy brainstorm. Scribbly, could you lend us a paw and write the invitations for our concert?
Huh? Ah, I'm ready.
Huh? Boss, the Buffy Cats invite you to their concert tonight? Like I'd go and listen to that third-rate music.
Hey, boss, give us the invitation then. It can be your good deed for today.
I've had enough of you and your good deeds. Now I'm gonna show you some of my good pranks.
Welcome to our annual scooter race for kittens. And say hello to our little racers, Scribbly, Baby Pie, Pilu. Now that the kittens are all here, the race can begin.
Wait, I'm coming too.
Hello, Terry. But you're not a kitten.
Yes, I am, Gabby. I can meow like kittens. Meow. I wash like kittens. And I can make sweet eyes like kittens.
Of course. You can join the other kittens, little Terry.
Yay! Terry the kitty together with all the kitties!
Dear kitties, your first challenge is to twirl elegantly from one ramp to another.
The first to go will be Pilu.
A truly refined stunt. Congratulations, Pilu.
Scribbly, your turn now.
I came to the race to meet new friends, but I don't know if I can handle challenges like this.
Don't worry, Scribbly. If you need help, I'll lend you a paw.
Thanks, Terry. You're a good friend.
Oh! Ah!
A perfect stunt. Well done, Scribbly. And now it's up to... Where's Terry?
For a super jump, you need a super running start. Make way!
Great, Terry. That stunt of yours was truly dizzying. Wait, Baby Pie. We're coming to lend you a paw.
I'm sorry, Snubbin. My stunt didn't work so good.
You did great, though, Baby Pie.
Here, you deserve a nice ice cream.
Thanks, Cream.
Our second challenge was designed by Gas, the stinky cat.
I made an obstacle course along the sidewalks in town using trash. You don't just have to avoid the obstacles. You also gotta pick up one of these flags before you get to the end.
Get ready, set, go!
Cub, can you hear me? They're on their way.
Okay, Gabby, I'll handle this. Safety first.
These are two-tone cat treats?
Delicious. Anchovy and raspberry flavor.
I don't get it, boss. Why did you give the Buffy cats those cat treats?
Scab, each treat is super concentrated. You eat one, and it's like 100 normal ones. The Buffy losers are gonna be so full, they won't even be able to move for a nice long while.
I get it, boss. So we'll have the run of the place.
Buffy cats, I just ate one, but I'm already so full. Oh.
I just ate 5 treats. This is the last one left. Oh! Oops. What do I do now? Wow, that's a first. Like eating a cat treat, put upside down. Good morning, cat friend. Something smells like a cat treat. Cat treat, cat treat, cat treat.
Hey, Meatball.
Meatball, what's up?
I'm chasing a cat with a cat treat. It escaped through the mirror.
Buffy cats, Meatball just went into the mirror? He's gone. We gotta follow him. We can't let Meatball go alone.
Thanks for coming to help, Buffy cats. There he is, with the cat treat. Cat treat, cat treat.
Buffy cats, look! We're still in Granny Pina's house, but...
Everything is upside down! And of course it is! You passed through the mirror! Welcome to the upside down world!
This world is pawesome!
Here's what I found. Black, super black.
Boss got a lemon again, and this time it's black. There's something wrong with that lemon.
Boss, Blister Scab, you're nearly at the last square. Then Scab can eat the giant cake.
Oh no! Boss was faster than me again!
It's not your fault, Lampo. Boss brought back something the wrong color. Half the lemon is black, but the other half is yellow. See? Boss just painted it black.
Oh, wow! Painting the lemons was genius, boss.
Quiet, Scab.
According to the rules, if you bring back the wrong color, you get a super penalty.
No! You can't give my team the super penalty now!
I'm sorry, boss. It's the rules. Meatball, you can eat all the cakes now and reach Scab on the giant cake square.
Finally, I get to play!
Don't worry, boss. It's too much cake. He'll never make it.
Go, Meatball! You can do it!
No way!
Now things are getting serious.
Well, Yum Yum Cats, you've come to the final challenge. The first one who eats the giant cake wins.
Go, Meatball! We can still win!
Really good.
I'm just too full.
What are you doing, Scab? Eat that cake right now!
I ate too much, boss. My belly hurts.
I have to do everything myself.
Huh?
No.
This cake is too big for me, too.
Yum Yum Cat Meatball has eaten all the cake.
All right!
The winners of Cat Calls Color are the Buffy Cats.
We turned the tables on you again, boss.
I didn't feel like playing this game anyway. And I don't like cake.
If you don't like it, boss, I'll eat it for you.
It's not over, Buffy Cats. I'm gonna win the next challenge.
Well, your spray can trick was a nice move, boss.
Ugh, shut up, Scab. You weren't even able to eat a cake.
Hi, Sushi. We're back.
I've got the hashi.
I took the makisu. Here's the fresh fish.
Amazing! You found just about everything we need. Are you ready? Time to make sushi!
Almost perfect, but something's missing.
That's how they serve sushi in Tokyo's best restaurants.
Kitties! Izata! Sushi! Where are you, my darlings?
What a nice smell. Is it coming from the kitchen?
Granny Pina's coming. Take your places. Hi, Granny.
Izata, dear, what are you doing in the kitchen?
I have a super surprise for you. Welcome back. Sorry. We have a super surprise for you, Granny.
Sushi? Oh, that's so sweet. You brought a taste of Japan right to my house. Delicious. You're a really good cook, Izata.
They deserve the credit, too. Sushi came up with the idea. Lampo, Milady, Pilu, and Meatball went into town and got all the ingredients. And then we all cooked together.
It sounds like you had some very special helpers.
Time to eat the sushi.
Eating sushi is hard.
Not for me, Lampo.
Meatball, you're great at eating sushi.
No, I'm great at eating anything.
Subscribe to the channel.